Today, we'll show you how to easily migrate your emails from or to your Gmail account. To start, enter the credentials of your existing account. This can be any email account type. In this example, it's IMAP. For the new mailbox, select Gmail as account type. Enter your username, usually your email address. Next, click on Connect with Google Account. In the pop-up that opens, select your Gmail address. Sign into your account and grant MailJerry access so that your emails can be migrated. When both accounts are connected, click on Check Settings. MailJerry will now connect with your accounts and check if both mailboxes are ready for the email migration. After the check has finished, you can review your migration. If everything looks good, click on Start Your Migration. MailJerry now migrates your email data and shows progress information while the migration is running. As soon as the email migration is finished, all emails, folders, labels, drafts, and sent objects are available in your Gmail account. Can you believe it? It's really so easy to perform an email migration to or from Gmail. Easily migrate your emails to any destination. Go to mailjerry.com/download and try MailJerry yourself.